So what this trader does, he'll see this, right? And he'll draw some, in my opinion, dumb, but he'll draw something like this. And then he'll draw something like this. And he'll be like,
okay guys, we have a bull pennant right here, and with this bull pennant, it has 68% chance break to the upside, and we're looking for this measured move right here. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this trade, 1-to-6 ratio, just make sure to have, risk to reward, blah, blah. And then he'll enter the trade, and then it's going good, and he's talking really good about it. Yeah, guys, look, on the 1 minute, it's doing this and this. We have this and this going for it. We have, this higher lows. Right now, it's this bull pennant. And then if we go to the higher time frames, the 15 minute, the 5, whatever, and going up and up, this is looking bullish, this and this, and doing all his indicators, right?
Then it comes down. Now what he's doing is looking for excuses. And I'm so surprised that all these people don't see it. Like, I just have to watch him for 5 minutes and I can see it. But they're new and they don't understand, and they're getting wrecked. Now, granted, did they win? Yeah, sure. You played it enough, you're gonna win, but you are in a group. And everybody's showing wins, but you're not winning. So you feel bad, like what is it with me? Why am I not successful? Everybody win. Then finally you win one and you're super happy. And what do? You post it because, hey, you finally won one. But you're just adding to the reason why you felt that way, because now, let's say the next person, man, I've been in this group for 2 months, 3 months. I'm doing exactly what he does. I'm trading on the time frame he shows me. I'm doing everything, and I'm not winning. Like, I'm losing way more than I'm winning. But I just saw another result come in saying they won. Thank you, so and so. I just, bought a Lamborghini thanks to you. Really? But this is what he does. It goes down. So what is he doing? He's conditioning you to where if he loses, it's okay. Because he was right on the 30 minute, there was bearish divergence. He's still right. Then he enters the trade again, and same scenario, 6-to-1 ratio, etc. The price comes up to here, right here. He's up 80 bucks because of his leverage is so high. And then he's like, it barely comes down a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna sell it. So he sells it. All right, guys, who else made profit with me? Put that number in the chat. Let me know if you... Where is your risk to reward? Your reward's here. Your risk is way down here. And then he has the nerve to say, have a 6-to-1 ratio. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. All right, guys, it looks like we're starting a bull flag, and this will be on the 1 minute time frame. Literally a 1 minute time frame. This is his stuff. Then, more things come out, and then as it's coming out, it's like, all right, so now we have an expanding, broadening wedge. And then as more minutes, again, this is the 50-minute time frame, but the 1 minute freaks me out. So we're doing the 15-minute. Then he'll do this. And then as it's going, this is not a pivot. This is a pivot. This is not a pivot, but he'll use that as a pivot. You cannot draw a trend line right here. This is not a pivot. And continue coming down. You need to do it on the pivots. I'm Exhibit A. And then he'll do this. So this is a pivot. And then he'll keep on, and as it's going, he's doing his thing, okay? And then he'll follow it again. This is not a pivot, but he'll do it right here. Setting everybody up for failures. And then he'll be like, all right, guys, we also have, and then he'll do this number. You literally cannot do this, guys. All right, there is no momentum. There is no touch. There's none of that. It's touches here because it's awful. And then you have this, and this is not a pivot. And then, all right, guys, we have 68% chance we're going to break to the upside. Let's go ahead and do this again, guys. Let's go ahead and enter the trade. we're going to enter the trade. We're going to do a 6-to-1. Once again, we're going to do a 6-to-1. And then what he'll do is he'll enter the trade. He'll enter the trade, and then it's going up. All right, guys, you see, just like I showed you, you know, we have this and this, and, you know, we have the RSI doing, you know, whatever, it's on the 50 or the 30, or we got to, whatever he says, and it's going good. And he's making money, $30, $40, $50 because of his high leverage. Then as soon, this is every single time. I watch him literally 10 minutes, maybe 15. This is what he shows. Then the next day, I watch him 10 minutes, 15. This is what he shows. And then he's up. And what he does, he sells it. All right, guys, the same thing again. Who made money? Put a 21 or double zeros, or put the numbers in the chat. Put the numbers in the chat. If you got money with me, this happen. Like the trading groups pay for itself. As like, you're trading on the 1 minute time frame with this. Now I know why he's so hyped up, because he's happy that he won. I'd be happy too if I was trading like him, because it would be a surprise to me as well if I was trading like him. Can you win? Sure. Can you lose? Yeah. But Joe, he's successful. Is he? Or is his group successful? Because he's conditioned those people. I don't know. You tell me. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.